Welcome to the sunny construction zone, friends. Are you ready for a super cool puzzle adventure?
Whoa, look at those big machines rolling in. Vroom, vroom.
Haha! They're hiding. Can you spot our hardworking digger and the loader in their shadows?
I bet the big yellow one is a spaceship. Am I right?
Not quite, silly. That's a digger's cabin. Let's snap it into place. Click. Perfect. Now let's attach that heavy bucket so our digger can scoop up the dirt. Engine cover going on. That keeps our mechanical friend running smooth and steady. And the long, strong arm is attached. High five. You're doing amazing. Time to build our loader. Let's find that cabin window. There it goes. Pop. Engine cover fits like a glove. You guys are master builders. Look at that bucket go. It's ready to lift heavy things now. Side panel secured. Keep your eyes on the screen. Only a few more parts left. Connect that arm. It's really starting to look like a real machine now. Big wheels for big adventures. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Snap that cabin window in. Now our driver has a great view.
Is that a hammer? Time to break some rocks. Clang, clang.
Great job! The loader is looking super tough and ready for action. Switching over to our digger, let's give him that powerful hammer too. Engine cover locked. Everything is tight and ready to roll. Adding another cover to the loader. Everything is coming together so nicely. One more engine panel. You're becoming a real pro at this. Keep it up. The digger is looking shiny. Let's finish him off with the final touches. Almost there. Just a few more clicks and these machines will be ready for the road.
Those wheels are spinning fast. Zoom, zoom.
Grab the wrench. We need to make sure every bolt is super tight. Twist it tight. Good work, team. Another turn with the wrench. You guys are doing fantastic. Don't forget the digger's bolts. Tighten them up 3, 2, 1. Click. Final adjustment. Everything is perfect. You did it. Hooray! Our construction crew is complete. You're all superstars. See you next time for more building fun. Welcome to the Ultimate Machine Puzzle Challenge. Are you ready to build some heavy-duty heroes with us today? Look, it's a giant wheel loader.
Hello!
Can you help us find where this big yellow bucket piece belongs?
Ready? I bet that piece goes on the roof. Or maybe it's a hat.
Not quite, silly. That's the heavy-duty scoop that lifts all the dirt. Watch it snap right into place. Click. Vroom, vroom. Our loader is ready for action. Everyone clap your hands for a job well done. Wow, check out that real-life mining excavator. It's moving so much earth into that massive dump truck.
It uses a large shovel arm to lift and load heavy earth
Now
or
we have a backhoe loader. See that long arm? It's perfect for digging deep trenches.
Is it a giant mechanical spider? It has so many moving parts, I'm getting dizzy.
It's a construction genius, not a spider. Let's count the tires together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is a backhoe loader. It is versatile with a digging bucket at the back and a loader at the front.
Back to the puzzle board. We need to fit these sturdy wheels onto our big, bold wheel loader. What? Ta-da! You did it! The loader is perfectly assembled and looking shiny and new.
The loader.
This is a wheel loader. It is used to move materials like soil, gravel, or sand with its large front bucket.
Look at the big, strong bulldozer. It's time to slide that heavy blade into the perfect spot.
Beep, beep. The bulldozer is ready to push mountains of sand. Dance along with us.
bulldozer.
See how the bulldozer clears the path? It's the strongest machine on the construction
This is a
site.
bulldozer. It is strong and has a wide blade for pushing earth, sand, or rubble.
We finished every puzzle. You are a master builder. Thanks for playing and see you next time, Superstars. Welcome, everyone. It is a beautiful, sunny day in the park, and we have a super fun puzzle game today. Vroom, vroom! Look, our brave police car friend is patrolling the park. Uh-oh, where did that storm cloud come from?
Wait a minute. Did that police car just turn into a kitty cat? Meow beep beep.
That is so silly. It is a magic shape-shifting car. Keep your eyes peeled, everyone. Back to a police car. Beep beep. He is keeping our park safe and sound.
And poof, the cat is back. I think this car is playing hide and seek with us.
You are right. It is definitely a game. Let's see if we can catch it next time it appears. One more transformation. Wow, this puzzle is getting tricky. But I know you kids can solve it. Okay, team, look at all these police cars. Can you point to the one that fits perfectly in the shadow?
Click, you found it. That police car fits like a glove. Great job.
Let's keep going. Which of these 4 vehicles is the right one to finish the silhouette? Ting, spot on. You are becoming a real puzzle master today.
Look closely at the wheels. Does that one match? Let's try it out.
Fantastic choice. Everything is lining up perfectly now. We are on a roll. Only a few more to go. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3.
Boom! Another perfect match. You guys are too fast for me.
Stay focused. The last few are the most important ones to get right. Almost there. Just one more tiny push. You can do it. Ta-da! We did it! You solved every single puzzle. You are the best puzzle solvers ever. See you next time. Welcome, everyone. Get ready to rumble with our strongest friend on the construction site.
Whoa! Is that a giant metal robot arm? I bet it's trying to grab a snack.
Not quite so. That is our hard-working digger, and those hydraulics help it lift heavy dirt with ease. Vroom, vroom! Can you point your finger at the screen and count the movements? 1, 2, 3, lift!
I think it's dancing. Look at that bucket spin around. Clack, clack, clack!
It's not dancing, it's rotating to place materials exactly where they need to go. Such a clever machine! Wow, look how smooth that boom extends. It reaches out just like a long, strong finger. You all did amazing today, learning about our digger friend. Give yourselves a huge high five, super. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we are matching our favorite heroes, so get ready for some fun. Who is hiding behind those mystery silhouettes? Can you guess, friends?
I bet it's a giant dinosaur. Am I right?
Not quite, silly. It's our pals Doraemons and Sonic. Watch as we slide them into place. Click.
Whoa! Look at Sonic and his speedy friends go. This rhythm game is super fast.
Tails and Amy are dancing along perfectly. They made it back to their columns. Give them a big thumbs up for a job well done.
Ahoy there! A pirate ship adventure? Let's see if that yellow monster can help the captain steer.
Surprise! It's Superman flying in to save the day. Zoom!
Oh my God!
Batman and Superman are the ultimate heroic duo. They always know exactly what to do.
Oh no! Nobita is in trouble again! Doraemon, please use your magic gadget to help him out.
You are all puzzle masters. Welcome! Explorers? Are you ready for a high-speed building adventure in our mountain playground?
Whoa! Look at all these cool vehicle shapes hiding in the shadows. Are they aliens?
Haha! Not quite! Those are our trusty construction friends waiting to be built. Can you spot the big bucket for our hardworking digger? Point your finger right at it!
I think the digger needs a giant cupcake to work better. Am I right?
What?
Silly! He needs his sturdy metal scoop to move that dirt. Let's drag it over together. Clunk! Vroom vroom! Found the base. Now let's snap that engine right into place. Perfect fit!
No!
Our digger is looking strong and ready to build. Great teamwork, everyone! Next up is the mighty dump truck. Can you find his giant wheels? They are super round.
Beep beep! He's ready to carry rocks. You guys are puzzle masters today.
No,
Here comes the kind rescue truck. Does he need a steering wheel or a pizza slice to drive?
Definitely the wheel. Snap! You're moving so fast I can barely keep up.
Last piece for our heroic fire truck. 3, 2, 1, click! You did it!
Look at them go! They are all shiny and ready for the construction site.
Boom! Fireworks for our master builders! You worked so hard today, and every single vehicle looks amazing!
High fives all around. You're all superstars. See you in the next mission, builders.
Hey there, little heroes. Welcome to the color parade, where our brave police car buddies are gathering for duty. Vroom! Vroom!
Oh boy, look at those gray cars. Are they waiting for a party? Maybe they want to be blue, or maybe green.
Not quite silly. Let's match these colorful balloons to our police friends. Can you point to the red balloon for the red car?
I see a yellow one. Is it time to go? 3, 2, 1. Pop, beep, beep.
Watch closely. The cars are changing colors right before our eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Ting! That one is turning bright purple. You are doing amazing! Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shiny police cars ready for action.
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle masters. You solved it all. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more fun.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Are you ready for a high-speed mission today? Let's go!
Whoa! Look at those heavy-duty machines rolling through the city. Vroom, vroom!
Grenade out.
Wait, what's that? A secret mission is starting! Keep your eyes peeled, everyone. Oh no! Our mighty truck is missing its cab. Can you help us find the right piece?
I think this tiny cab will fit. Wait, no? Maybe it's this one?
Ready?
Oops, that red cross means it's a mismatch. Try again, friends. Which one fits perfectly?
Oh, God!
Click! It fits! You did it! You super smart puzzle masters! Now, let's gear up this artillery vehicle. Does this big turret belong on top?
Boom! Perfect match. Look at those happy cats dancing to celebrate your victory.
Oh my god! You were incredible today! High fives all around, and we'll see you for the next big challenge. Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Get ready for a Tractortastic adventure. Vroom vroom!
Whoa, did you see that? Boom! 3 tractors just appeared on the farm.
Wait, where did they go? They turned into silly shadows and funny faces.
I think the tractors are playing hide and seek with us. Let's find them.
Look closely. Can you match the tractor engine to its dark silhouette?
Go!
That's the hardworking digger's bucket. Point your finger at the screen if you see the right spot.
Is this a wheel?
Yes.
No, that's a tractor seat. Let's try fitting it right here. Click.
Amazing! Oh, that piece doesn't fit there. Let's count how many pieces we have left. 1, 2, 3.
Nice.
Ting! That wheel fits perfectly. You are doing such a fantastic job. Keep going.
Good job.
Yes, the green tractor is finally complete. Vroom vroom, he's ready to plow the field.
Yay!
We did it! All 3 tractors are back together, looking shiny and strong.
No.
Yes! Fireworks for our super puzzle solvers. You're the Tractor Master. See you next time. Vroom vroom. Welcome everyone to our super cool vehicle challenge today.
I'm ready to race. Let's see if we can spot our big, strong machine friends on the road.
Wait a second. Where did they go? Oh, look at that sneaky cat face. It's a shadow puzzle time. I see the hard hard-working digger's bucket. Can you point to the screen and help me drag it into place?
Maybe it goes on the roof? No, that's definitely not right. Aha!
Click! That's it! You found the perfect spot for our mighty friend.
3, 2, 1, go!
Keep going, team. Now we need to find the giant wheels for our mighty dump truck. 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels.
Is this a pizza slice? Oh wait, it's a shovel part. You guys are way faster at this than I am.
No.
Fantastic focus. We are matching these silhouettes just like pros. Almost there. Go. They are fully built and ready for action. Great work, everyone.
Boom! Confetti everywhere. You solved it. You're the best puzzle masters ever.
High fives all around. Thanks for building with us today. See you next time for more fun adventures. Welcome, puzzle explorers! Are you ready to build some super cool trucks today?
Whoa, check out those colors. Vroom, vroom, look at them line up.
Abracadabra! They are transforming with magic emojis. Can you spot the skeleton?
It is time to match. I think this big wheel goes on the sky, right?
Silly.
3,
Wheels belong on the
2,
road. Let's
1,
drag it to the
go!
silhouette down here. Great job! Click! That piece fits perfectly like a puzzle piece in a snap. Now, can you help me find the cabin for our hardworking green dump truck?
Look at that cat helping us. Point your finger at the screen to help guide the part.
Ah, it is all assembled. Our mighty trucks are ready to roll out. Look at that rap dance! You did a fantastic job solving every single puzzle.
Hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we're in a sleepy town. But wait, is that a rumble I hear?
Whoa, boom! Those mighty transport trucks just bumped into each other.
Oh no, they've lost their shape. Can you help me find their silhouettes in the dark? Let's drag these heavy pieces. Where does the big engine go? Point your finger at the screen.
Oops, that piece doesn't fit there. Maybe try the other side, buddy.
Don't worry, keep trying. Which shape matches this wheel? Let's look closely together.
Oh
Click! That one locked right in. You're doing an amazing job building these mighty transport vans.
Vroom, vroom, almost done. Can we count the last two pieces? 1, 2, snap.
and ready for duty. You are a puzzle master. High five, everyone! Hey, everyone. Welcome to our awesome vehicle puzzle challenge. Let's get zooming.
Vroom, vroom. Can you spot all three of our speedy motorcycle friends on the road? Whoa! Everything turned into shadows. And look, a big yellow bulldozer is rolling by.
That's a hard-working digger, kids. He loves moving dirt to help us build big things. Time for a matching game. We need to find the right parts for our brave police motorcycle silhouettes.
Go!
I think the giant tractor wheel goes on the police bike. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Nice try. But let's look closer. Which piece actually fits our police friend perfectly? Point your finger at the screen and help us drag the correct piece. 3, 2, 1, go!
Click! That part fits like a glove. Our motorcycle is looking sharp and ready for patrol.
Great focus. Now let's find the missing handlebars for the blue motorcycle. Can you find them? Ting! You did it! Look at all those hearts and confetti, celebrating your amazing puzzle skills.
Boom! You're a total puzzle master. High five, everyone!
You were incredible today. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next big adventure. Bye-bye! Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our big police monster truck adventure.
Vroom, vroom! Look at those 4 brave police buddies rolling into the garage.
Oh no, they've turned into mysterious shadows. Can you help us find their missing parts?
The clock is ticking, team. 3, 2, 1. Let's solve this mystery fast.
Let's try the yellow truck part. Oops, that doesn't fit the shape. Try again.
How about the black truck piece? Nope, still a bit wobbly. Keep guessing.
Huh?
Click! That's the one. The blue police truck is back in action. Good job, everybody. Boom! All trucks are assembled. You guys are absolute puzzle masters. Thanks for playing with us today. Whoa! Look at that shiny police truck patrolling the neighborhood today, everyone. Hello! Oh no! The brave police squad is missing their gear. Can you help us find the right shadows to fix them?
I think a giant pizza slice goes on the roof. Am I right?
Nice try, silly. We need real police equipment. Let's look for the sirens and wheels instead. Drag that siren piece right up to the top. Click! Perfect placement, team. Meow! Even our cat Fred is helping us spot the hidden parts. You're doing great! Look at them glow! They're almost ready for patrol duty. Sparkle! Sparkle!
The puppies are here to celebrate your amazing puzzle skills.
Everything is lighting up. You've matched every single piece like a pro. Our brave police fleet is finally assembled and ready to zoom off on a mission.
Very nice.
You did it! You're a master puzzle solver! Thanks for playing. See you next time, superstars!